Google Pixel 5. Best Android phone $699. Compact 5G phone designed, outstanding camera features. Hot on the heels of the Pixel 4a, Google has expanded its 2020 mobile portfolio yet further to now include the Pixel 4 5G and the long-rumored Google Pixel 5. On the surface, the Pixel 5 serves to right the wrongs made by last year's erroneous Pixel 4, namely by dropping the experimental motion sense gesture tech, trading its secondary telephoto camera in for an ultra-wide sensor and almost doubling battery capacity so that the phone actually lasts beyond a few hours at a time. While these changes may seem obvious, the Pixel 5, and where it sits in the wider smartphone landscape, is indicative of a shift in Google's smartphone strategy and points to a very different future to the one that older Pixel phones were designed for. This review has been updated due to the launch of the Pixel 6. Google no longer sells the Pixel 5, but you can buy it from other retailers while stocks last. Design and build, beautifully balanced. The most striking thing about the Pixel 5 isn't its camera tech or how well the Google Assistant is integrated into its software experience, it's its design, and that's thanks to two main factors: its size and its finish. Display and audio, clear screen, muddy sound. A taller, slimmer 19.5:9 aspect ratio means the Pixel 5 offers a larger 6 inches display compared to last year's Pixel 4, without becoming that much wider in hand. Google hasn't pushed the boat out with the panel on this year's Pixel, but it's still a pleasingly crisp and clear HDR10+ compliant, 90Hz, Full HD+ OLED offering. Software and features, subtle upgrades. There was never any doubt about the software experience that the Pixel 5 would be running out the box. Android 11 is the latest and greatest of Google's mobile OS, and as ever, this newest Pixel serves to show it off at its best. Camera, software first. The Pixel line has grown to represent the power of computational photography on smartphones, and as the years have gone on, that fact has only solidified further. The Pixel 5's primary 12.2MP Sony IMX363 sensor is the same unit used by the Pixel 4 series and even the Pixel 3 series before that. It's a decidedly aging component that's remained in high regard, only because of what Google's engineers have been able to achieve on the software and image processing side. Performance, beyond the numbers. The Pixel line has always been about a software and user experience that outshine, and aren't explicitly limited by the hardware that supports them. This is most evident in the phone line's camera technology, but with the Pixel 5 it's also true of the processor running the show. Battery, back on track. The Pixel 4 was a promising Android phone undone by some of the worst battery life in recent memory. It was an issue fundamentally caused by the small 2,800 mAh cell that the phone used, and it was at the top of our wish list of improvements that the Pixel 5 needed to make. Price and availability. Note, now the Pixel 6 phones have arrived, Google has removed the Pixel 5 from the official store. However, you can still buy it at third-party retailers while stocks last. The Google Pixel 5 costs $599/$699. It's available from the likes of Amazon, John Lewis, Argos and Keys in the UK, along with US retailers like Best Buy and B&H.